Hi, everybody. This week we are continuing to talk about guided reading. We're going to look closely at the quality of a guided reading lesson. I want you to think about how our behaviors as teachers can assist students in their use of reading strategies. In Chapter 19, the role of facilitative talk in supporting change over time in processing systems, Fountas and Pinnell explain that prompts are very short, clear, direct statements or questions that give the reader the maximum information in the fewest words and are used sparingly. Prompts are used when the reader is at difficulty, after an error, or after successful problem solving. Too much talk clutters teaching. Use the fewest words possible to accomplish your goal and use those words carefully. Research has proven these Fountas and Pinnell prompts are effective. Don't change the wording of the prompts. When you are prompting for a strategic action that will help the reader read any text, not just the particular text in front of him or her at that time. I'm going to say that again. When you are prompting for a strategic action that will help the reader read any text, not just that particular text in front of him or her at that particular time. You need to teach the prompt before you can call the reader to engage it. When you see the reader engaging the behavior independently, you can reinforce it. This can be seen in figures 19.1 through 19.5 in our guided reading text. Figure 19.1 is for levels A through D. The reading behavior would be searching for and using information. They explain how to teach the prompt, they tell you the prompt, and how to reinforce it. Also, monitoring and self-correcting at those levels. They tell you how to teach it, to prompt it, and reinforce it. The same for solving words and maintaining fluency. And they do that for several levels all the way through Z. The goal is for the reader to be independent of external prompting. As with all teaching, some students learn these prompts more quickly than others, so you have to reteach, prompt, and reinforce several times. I hope that you have been thinking about your final project that is due week 8. It's much easier to pull it together if you have been making notes along the way. Based on your forum discussions, I'm very excited about your final projects. If you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this.